I need to keep looking.
Too late to run. Show the intruder the might of the steps.
Grelkar, Grelkar, Zolmog, call you, Horgath, Grelkar, Zolmog, kill you all. Kill you all. Kill you all.
Need time for that. Need time for that.
I yield, Wanderer. I yield. Stay your hand. I swear to you by the bloated worm and by the ways of my people, my life is yours to take. But first, allow me to exact my revenge upon those who have wronged me. Call me Varyana. Call me Mercenary. Call me Butcher. My quest is to deliver my vengeance upon the cannibal chieftains who chased me from my clan. I will not die until my enemies are dead by my hand. I will not. So much flesh. So much temptation. I need to be gone from this place. I sought to have my revenge upon Molkarth in the Temple of Rot, but I was captured. My captors fled when Molkarth was slain by another. But there are two others who must pay, Grelkar and his master Zolmog. That pit. I've been down there so long, I could barely tell friend from foe. Glad I didn't kill you. You bested me. By the law of my people and the law of the worm, I am yours to butcher and devour. But before that happens, I must put two cannibal chieftains under my knife. Grelkar the Craven and Zolmog Venomblood must die.
Why?
Because they banished me. Because they wounded my honor. Because I don't like them. I need help to destroy them, Wanderer. We are agreed. Then first we seek Grelkar, sure to be in his feasting hall. Cannibals loyal to Grelkar roam the untamed scraps. At least a few must know where his hall is.
What is this? Not ready yet. I need more time.
You dare return to the land you betrayed, Varyana? You see.
Not ready yet.
The severed hand. You see the map tattooed on the palm. Quickly now. Here. This has to be the entrance to Grelkar's feasting hall. Well... Grelkar can be made to reveal where Zolmog is.
Not ready yet.
Grelkar! Where is your master? There's still a way for me to find Zolmog, but... Tell me! I need to prepare.
What is it you're doing?
My people have a ritual. It can tell me what I must know, but it... Just be quiet.
Varyana. What's happening? It's too much. You don't need to do this to yourself.
Don't look at me. Zolmog, Tyrant King, Crown of Teeth, Throne of Bone, King of Flesh, made flesh. Zolmog, anointed in Guulrahn. Zolmog in Guulrahn. Guulrahn. We go to Guulrahn now. Make haste. I was a cannibal, like these we've just slaughtered. But when I fled my clan, I finally saw the depravity of our ways. I swore to set aside those habits, and I have. But the hunger doesn't leave you, ever. It's been an age since I saw Grelkar. There was a time when we were both trusted advisors to Tyrant King Brawl, along with Zolmog and Malkarth. But then, the Pale Man, Elias, freed us from Guulrahn's prison and drove my people to even darker atrocities. When he bent Brawl to his will, I dared speak the truth that we were becoming pawns of Elias. But Grelkar and the others turned against me. I fled for my life, put my skills to use as a butcher and a mercenary, and swore off human flesh. Guulrahn's streets will be thick with Zolmog's sycophants, all on the lookout for threats to his coronation. But if we get our hands on a boat, we can enter the city by the docks, far fewer eyes than the main gates.
Need more time. The worm provides. The rowboat will do. We'll make surprise our ally. Prepare for battle, friend. Come out of your hole, Zolmog! I'll have your head! I need more time. I need more time.
You hear them. You hear them celebrating. That filthy wretch is showing off his power already. But a feast is to our advantage. We can lose ourselves in the crowd, get close to Zolmog, slit the bastard's throat before he even knows we're there.
Varyana, how brave you are. Returning to the land you sought to betray. I let you live then because you didn't matter. You still don't, but I won't be so gracious now.
I came back for your head, Zolmog. I should have taken it years ago. I won't be leaving without it.
Pay proper respect to your tyrant king, dear Varyana. Perhaps I'll allow you to survive.
You're not my king, Zolmog. Never my king. And I'll never be one of you again.
Oh, you never lose the taste, woman. I suspect you know that all too well. Just as you know the law of our people. Eat or be eaten!
I need more time. Need more time.
It's done. My word is my bond. End my life, as we ended Zolmog's. I told you, my life is yours to take. As you wish, but my offer stands. Nobody would miss me anyway. Well, maybe Ray here. No reason to linger. I'm headed south, returning to a gathering place for mercenaries in Nahantu. You need a butcher or a blade, seek me there. Or if you change your mind about eating me.
I don't think Subo likes me.
I don't think Subo likes anyone. But don't fret. He's wary of anything new.